In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get TradingView for free. If you're new to TradingView or looking to explore its rich array of features without opening your wallet, you'll be glad to know that the platform offers a free basic plan. This plan is a fantastic way to dive into the world of TradingView and start you off with a set of essential tools. When you sign up for the free basic plan, you'll gain access to a variety of fundamental charting tools. This is where you can really start to explore the breadth and depth of market data that TradingView offers. You'll have real-time access to data from a wide range of markets, allowing you to keep up with the fluctuating tides of financial trends as they happen. More than 50 built-in indicators are at your fingertips, perfect for conducting in-depth technical analysis without additional cost. If you enjoy scripting or want to customize your analysis, you'll appreciate the access to PineScript, which allows you to create and test your own indicators and strategies. And there's more. With paper trading, you can practice your strategies without any risk to real capital. This feature simulates a real-time trading experience and is incredibly helpful for beginners who want to hone their skills. However, the free basic plan does come with a few limitations. It's worth understanding these so you can decide if it's the right fit for your trading needs. First, you're limited to displaying only 2 to 3 indicators per chart. This means that if you're someone who relies on heavy indicator usage, you may find this to be a bit of a restriction. Keep in mind, however, that it's a great way for beginners to learn to focus on the most critical data points. Second, multi-chart layouts aren't available in this free version. For those accustomed to multi-timeframe analysis or monitoring several asset classes simultaneously on one screen, this could be a hindrance. But for many traders who are just starting out, managing a single chart can be more than sufficient. Additionally, the alert system is quite limited. Only basic alerts are available, which might be a drawback if you're someone who likes to be notified of a wide range of market events. Furthermore, the bar replay feature, which allows you to backtest strategies against historical data, isn't included in the free tier. This is a more advanced feature utilized by experienced traders for refining their techniques. Despite these limitations, the free basic plan provides a solid foundation for anyone looking to get started with TradingView without immediate financial commitment. Take this opportunity to explore its features, familiarize yourself with the platform, and decide from there if an upgrade to another plan is necessary as you grow in confidence and expertise. Thank you for watching.